This is how to check if cooking oil is hot for deep frying.
Can you fix watery whipping cream? Yes, you can. Warm some water, put your pot on top of the warm water and start whisking. It has been restored. Ours didn't get 100% restored because we had tried to fix it using other things. Leave a comment below if you have ever tried and it worked. The essence of hot water is to adjust the temperature. When you receive your gas, ensure the seal is in place. Then connect your gas. There is a socket-like thing on the regulator. That is what you're going to use to connect your gas. When it's connected across, it shows that it is closed. And then if you want to use it, you move it downwards, as you can see on the clip. Ensure it is properly connected to avoid leakage. Follow us for more.
How to store cabbage for long in the fridge. How to store your greens for longer. Setting up my Mulinex juicer. Three apples make quarter of a glass. Explains why fresh juices are expensive. Egg steamer.
Ven, 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 Mesías, ven, que tu pueblo te espera, tu pueblo te espera. Y ven, 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 Mesías, ven, que tu pueblo te espera, tu pueblo te espera.
Here is the simplest way of peeling garlic. I posted this hack sometimes back and someone said it doesn't work. If you put a little pressure, you get some breakages. If you put too much pressure, like in this case, it breaks. Okay, so you have to put some reasonable pressure for it to work. It's not a fight, so just be easy on the garlic and you get the outcome. Leave a comment below if it has ever worked for you. To clean my kitchen towels, I boil them, as you can see, and the only detergent I include is the dish liquid detergent, whichever you have, then white vinegar, bicarbonate of soda, and Ariel, which is my washing powder or washing liquid. Yeah, and after this they will be clean and no germs. Yes. Hello good people, in today's video I'm going to share how I am now cleaning my Beko cooker using Morning Fresh and steel wool, because I realized the commercial detergents are making the material of the cooker rust. So this has been a perfect solution, and now the cooker turns out super clean. You can try it if you have a similar cooker. And that's the final product. Comment down below how you clean your cooker, and thank you for watching.
How to sparkle clean your aluminum cooking pots. How to easily clean your blender. When buying electronics, check out for ability to detach for easy cleaning.
We gon' survive. These streets here again, no go give it up. We must survive. Any don't go for the struggle and the pain. We gon' survive.